Hi guys, it's Fat Petrolhead here, and today I want to show you a really unique car, which is W220 generation Mercedes-Benz S-Class, and it is S65 AMG. This model was in production for only 3 years, 2006, 7 and 8, and there were less than 1200 S65 AMGs of W220 generation ever produced, so it's a really unique car. It has a 6-liter V12 biturbocharged engine, so Mercedes cheated a bit with their indexes even in these times. It develops crazy 612 horsepower and accelerating from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 4.4 seconds. That is still impressive even today, and all that in this car on rear-wheel drive. So let's get inside and start this crazy engine that is going to be only the part of the history very soon. Yes, on modern generation W223 they still have B12, but I believe that next generation of Mercedes S-Class wouldn't have this engine. This car right here is maybe not in great condition, but at least in good one. That is a Japanese spec car with about 120,000 kilometers mileage. The mileage seems to be original, no warning lights on the dashboard, and the engine seems to be alive. The interior condition with its unique Mercedes old-school leather is also great. To be honest, with its bio design, W220 generation of S-Class today looks less attractive than any other generation, per my opinion. However, this old-school leather interior is what you can really enjoy. Today, this generation of S65 AMG is becoming more and more rare. However, they are still quite cheap. Probably because they are designed that very unlikely would make this car a future classic. However, I am also interested in your opinion. What do you think about this car, about its design, and is it a good buy right now?